Operation Sindoor, it didn't just shape the battlefield. That vision, that story that inspired the entire country and the world is today talking about it, was also visible for all on the 77th Republic Day on Kartavya Path. So as the nation marked 77 years of the growth of our republic, the parade was a declaration of Atmanirbhar Bharat, of strength, of synergy, tri-services synergy, and zero tolerance for Pakistan state-sponsored radical Islamist terror. And this year, the spotlight, very rightly, belonged to that message. India will strike back, India will strike hard, and India will strike for effect. Take a look.
And now comes the tri-services tableau of Indian Defence Forces depicting Operation Sindoor, victory through jointness.
On top of the Kartavya Path, you can see the Sindoor formation.
Operation Sindoor, a strike that still instills fear in the heart of enemies and shakes Pakistan to the core. Months after the operation that decimated terror hubs in Pakistan,
Formation led by.
it was time to showcase India's Desi arsenal to the world.
Kartavya Path now is
The occasion was special, 77th Republic Day. Operation Sindoor tableau on Kartavya Path highlighted India's firm resolve against terror and preparedness to crush any threat.
Counteraction.
The tri-service Op Sindoor tableau showcased India's joint operation capability with the message victory through unity. The spotlight then was firmly on BrahMos, the supersonic cruise missile known for its speed, precision, and devastating strike capability. The world saw its might when India avenged Pahalgam terror attack and razed Pakistan terror bases and airfields. Not only attack capability, but India also displayed its air defense system that destroyed Pak missiles and drones.
Captain Animesh Rohela of the 344
Akash and Abra missile systems rolled past as key pillars of protection during the Republic Day parade.
Air Defense Missile Regiment.
The aerial flypast, one of the most eagerly awaited events of the parade, featured 29 aircrafts, including 16 fighter jets, 4 transport aircrafts, and 9 helicopters.
Colonel Vijay Pratap Sena Medal.
Rafales, MiG-29s, Sukhoi 30 MKIs, and Jaguar fighter jets that proved their prowess during Operation Sindoor were part of the famed Op Sindoor formation.
This is a moment of pride and honor. मैंने बचपन में देखा था when I was like her. उस समय मैं बहुत इंस्पायर हुआ था जब मैंने फ्लाई पास देखा था और मैं आज भी उतना ही इंस्पायर हुआ हूँ जब मैंने फ्लाई पास देखा है.
जे विभिन्नता में एकता जो है, हमारा कल्चरल प्रोग्राम भी हुआ और पैरेड भी हुआ, झांकी भी हुआ, वो सबसे बढ़िया लगा.
This Republic Day parade was a reminder to the world. India defends its sovereignty decisively and unitedly. A fitting Republic Day muscle flex after Operation Sindoor. With Shivani Sharma at Delhi's Kartavya Path, Bureau Report, India Today.
Both the skies of the Kartavya Path.